Every home has a story, every family has a reason, and every customer has a goal to feel secure, supported, and confident in their energy choices.
At ES Solar, we have one clear mission: 100% customer satisfaction. Not as a slogan, but as a standard we live by every day.
We do everything in-house, from sales and engineering to installation, roofing, service, and warranty, so our customers always know exactly who they're trusting.
We work closely with utility companies and energy partners to make every step simple, smooth, and stress-free.
Because what we really deliver isn't just solar, it's peace of mind, it's reliable, it's confidence in the future.
Every system is a promise to serve.
A promise to stand behind our work, a promise to put people first. We stand for 100% customer satisfaction. This is ES Solar.